Welcome to the Earth Eats Test Kitchen. My name is Heather, and today we're going to be making quick oatmeal.
Quick oatmeal? How do we make quick oatmeal?
It's really easy. Do you like oatmeal?
I do like oatmeal because I like oats, and oats are good for you.
They are, and it's a really good and quick snack. Really good
Yeah.
for you. And in the winter, it makes you feel all warm inside when you get home from school.
Yeah,
It's great after school.
That is a good after-school snack. Now, can Felix help you?
You can help me. You can help me by pouring in these quick oats.
Oh, okay.
Could you do that for me?
Yes, Felix can do that. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, right here?
Oh, right inside the bowl. There's no wrong way to do it.
Yeah.
Thank you, Felix.
You're welcome, Heather.
And next, I'm going to pour in this milk.
Okay.
I'll do that. It's a little
Okay.
tricky. Next time, you can pour the milk.
Okay, that sounds good. It's teamwork, Heather.
It is teamwork.
Yeah.
And I use just a cup of milk. And again, you can use skim milk or almond milk or soy milk, whatever you like. And next, I'm going to add just a tiny bit of sugar. Not very much. You don't really need very much.
Okay.
Just a pinch.
Not too much
Not
sugar.
too much sugar. And I like to add a little bit of vanilla to mine because it's good.
Yeah, I love vanilla. I love vanilla ice cream.
Oh, well, that's good. Just a little bit of flavor. You know what
Yeah.
I really like to do? I
What,
like to
Heather?
add just a tiny little bit of cinnamon. If you don't like cinnamon, then you can leave this part out, but I like it.
Yeah.
And that's it. And I'm just going to stir it just a little bit
Okay.
to mix the cinnamon and the sugar
We don't
with
need
the
a
oats.
blender for this,
We
do
don't. All we need is a microwave.
Oh,
I'm going to put it in the microwave for about a minute, and I'm going to
Okay.
check it so it doesn't bubble over.
Okay, and Heather, we put it in the microwave to make it hot,
We
right?
do. And for the oats to absorb the milk.
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna let you do this.
Yeah, I'll do it this time.
Okay. And you said 1 minute?
1 minute, and keep an eye on it just in case.
Okay.
It's ready. Now, in case it's hot, you
Yeah.
should get something to help you carry it over, like
Oh,
a towel or a
okay.
hot pad. Better safe than sorry.
Good thinking, Heather.
Good thinking. And you know, all microwave ovens are different. Some
Yeah.
of them might take a minute, some might take a little bit more. Just check it.
Okay.
And that's it.
Yeah.
And I like to finish mine off like this. A little something just for you.
Oh, for me?
For you.
Aw, Heather.
I like to add just a little bit of fresh maple syrup to the top.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Wait, hey, Heather.
Uh-huh.
Where do you get maple syrup from?
Well, they get it from maple trees.
Ah.
And it's really neat. They take the sap out
Uh-huh.
and they cook it, and it turns into this.
Oh.
It's
And-
sweet.
and-
Perfect on pancakes.
Yeah,
too.
yeah. I was gonna say that.
Yeah.
I love pancakes.
Well, then you'll really like this.
Oh, good.
It's really easy.
Oh, that looks so good.
It is. It's good.
And it's easy to make at home.
It is easy to make at home, just for you.
Ah,